Alright guys, you ready to check out the coolest little bar and spiciest little bar in all of the Philippines? Alright, this sort of unassuming place called the Snack Bar in Panglao, Bohol. I think it's just outside of Panglao. It's kind of a foreigner hangout. The girls are friendly. They're very attractive. And I just got here a few minutes ago and I already feel welcome. I've chatted with like a bunch of the foreigners that are just hanging out having drinks. Super friendly and oh my god. Guys, you gotta get yourselves over here quick. The Snack Bar, am I dreaming? What the heck? What's up guys, I'm hanging out with my new friend Reno here. Reno, where are you from, man?
Seattle.
Seattle boy, but he's been here for 9 years.
It's still going.
For good reason. Is this one of your regular spots there, Reno?
It is. Snack Bar is the best place in Bohol. 100%.
What can you say about this place other than there's very friendly girls here?
Other than they're beautiful, sexy, and fun, well, I've known them, the owner for a long time, Uli for a long time. They just take care of their patrons, so it's good for that. Take care of people. If I get too drunk, the sign language, Bohol, they'll give me a ride home. That's why Snack Bar to me is beautiful.
Everybody's so crazy.
All right, these are twin sisters right here. Only in the Philippines, baby. All right, we're gonna keep partying on here at the Snack Bar.
Oh, it's beautiful here. Come and check out Snack Bar. Woo!
Welcome to Snack Bar. Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad.
Hey everybody, this is Lynn. She owns the place, her and her husband. What's the story?
Welcome to Snack Bar. What's your name?
Chad.
Hello, Chad. Welcome to Snack Bar here.
How long have you had this place for?
2 years.
Love it. Thanks, Lynn. We're having a good time. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
I wanna know what you be my girl. Welcome to Snack Bar.
Guys, it's unbelievable. Here's my other friend that I just met.
Great. Just come. You will not be disappointed.
Where are we right now?
We're at a snack bar in Dallas, Bohol, Philippines.
You heard him, folks. Get your booties over here.
Brad,
So it's literally foreigners from all over the world. We got German, American. Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Another American. More Americans than anything else, but Canadian, German, American, international, baby.
Denmark, I think?
Oh, in Denmark. All right, so it's definitely international. You're welcome here. It's friendly. I just literally showed up, and I have friends all of a sudden.
Belgium.
From Belgium. Same thing. Belgium, Denmark.
I'm a good German. He's from America. You don't know.
I know. You gotta watch out for this guy.
I don't like it.
You gotta watch out for these Americans.
we have a love-hate relationship. I love to hate him.
Oh, here we go.
Touching you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba. Good times together feel so good. So good. So good. So good. I'm feeling blind. Ba, ba, ba. So hard.
Chinese guy.
Hello, please come and visit the snack bar at the Udawis Poroklan. Hello, viewers. Welcome here in the snack bar. Come and visit the snack bar. We have happy hour, 50 pesos cocktails for every day, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday it's whole day, 50 pesos a cocktail.
Someone just told me to have the girls do a blowjob shot. Order it, it makes good content, so I'm gonna see what happens. Here we go. 2 blowjobs coming up. All right guys, it's blowjob time. All right guys, 2 blowjobs. Here we go. What's up guys? All right, I need to step out a little bit and just break this down. This place is exactly what it seems. It's a foreigner hangout with about 6 or 7 beautiful, very friendly Filipinas that work behind the bar. And the owner, Lynn, is awesome. It's got good food, it's got good drinks, reasonable prices. And you go in there and you just feel good. You're partying with a bunch of cool girls. And it's fully respectful. They're very easygoing. Guys, if you come to Bohol, you come to Phang Lao, this is a no-brainer. Stop by. If you're, I mean, even if you're not single, there's a few of these guys have girlfriends that are in there. It's just a fun place. It's a fun vibe. I can't say it enough. Life is good in the Philippines. Places like this make it even better. If you get a chance to come, definitely come check this place out. Nothing but good times.
Waffle House of Stuff.
Dude, you gotta come to Phang Lao. Look at this. She's the best. This girl right here is the best. Come and see her. She's the sweetest.